and a hot red. And it's 8k.
Slow as fuck, man.
No, I'm just going slow on purpose. This build is faster than the one you had, the executioner one.
Going. This guy is going. He's coming from behind.
Oh. I'm still not used to the... Oh.
Holy shit, they're going from the left.
Oh wow, yeah. I fucked up. I'm still not used to the way the... Fuck.
These fucking spider leg machine gunners. Look at them. It's like 5 of them.
Okay, I can save this.
It's
thing.
gromek! Holy shit!
Oh really?
Look at it. It's gromek 999.
I already left, I died. Fuck.